My money is truly now working for me. It's doing it exactly what it's supposed to do. And I am freed up to pay attention to the rest of my life. So this is what we didn't have before. And I'm just like, how come I'm late to the party? That's all I'm saying. I'm late to the party.
We associate money with work, with effort. But that's
Mhm.
not how money is really made.
Clearly.
Detach your time from the money and learn how to make your money make money so you can really live
Absolutely.
your life. If you're new to my channel, hey, I'm Malika. After building my portfolio while raising my daughter as a single mom, I retired early at 47. And on this channel, I share my experiences to help other women achieve their own version of freedom and hopefully make smarter financial decisions without overcomplicating money. So, welcome, new friends, and welcome back to my OG. When I think about generational wealth, I think of it in terms of what legacy can I leave beyond me? What can I influence in the people that are coming behind me? Even if it's something as simple as changing their mindset. So they can believe that they are a person who can create wealth. That's the generational wealth that gives me purpose so that my grandchildren and great-grandchildren don't have to struggle the way I did.
I have a vision for that, and now I have a plan, an actual plan that's working in the background without my assistance at the moment. But these are just concepts and information and conversations that we haven't been having for, good reason. We've been busy surviving. Yes. And so part of my business is thriving. I decided that I no longer wanted to survive, but I would thrive. And this is a part of fulfilling my own personal life vision. So you came at the right time. I met you.
The divine connected us. So you've had a portfolio, you're actively investing now for 3 months. So have you created any money babies?
I have created my money babies, and it's good to get the statements. Things are working in the background. I set it all up so I could just peek. And my favorite email to get is notice of brokerage order execution. I'm like, yep. And I literally file it and I know that it's happening. But I'm like, I wish I started this earlier. Sometimes I'm just kind of like, girl, I wish I had met you earlier, but everything in its time. So
almost everyone I work with say that. One of my most recent private one client, she was a 73-year-old woman.
Hey, I know that's right.
And at the end of every session, she would just say, where were you when I was?
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Can you tell me what your portfolio looks like? Now, you don't have to share any numbers or anything.
Sure. So my portfolio is set up. So I started with the Roth, and I'm on track to fully reach the max, and then I'll start with the individual brokerage account. So I'll do the Roth first, maxing that out. That'll happen every year, like it should, and it's already create interest. And then I'll be setting up the next phase towards the end of this year. And now I know what I used to hear the phrase making money in my sleep. And I'm just like, oh, this is how they do it.
This is how they do it.
So, but overall, it's set up, things are working, it's automated, and I can change things around anytime I want, but it's not chaotic or risky.
You don't even see it that way anymore, right?
At all. And I'm hearing all the news and I'm like, and it's like steady, Freddie. I'm not staring at it like shaking. My money is truly now working for me. It's doing it exactly what it's supposed to do. And I am freed up to pay attention to the rest of my life. So this is what we didn't have before. I'm just like, how come I'm late to the party? That's all I'm saying. I'm late to the party.
Detach your time from the money and learn how to make your money make money so you can really live your life. And that's what I hear you saying now.
Absolutely. Now that I understand the stock market and how things work, I know how to choose a stock. I know how to evaluate it. I was also concerned that I didn't want to be creating, pressure for others on my capital gain.
All
Agreed.
money ain't good money.
Agreed.
You
Agreed.
know, company that does like surveillance for the government, and there's a lot of racial profiling, and a
All
lot of your data is being used in this current administration for purposes that I don't
nefarious.
agree with or align with.
Right.
So while the stock is very profitable, I have no interest in investing
Agreed.
in a company that's oppressing my people or
Agreed.
any other marginalized community.
Yeah.
You know what
Yeah.
I mean? So yeah, I totally respect that. Yeah. So in the beginning, you mentioned you were financially stable and financially responsible. Is there anything different that you do with your money now that you never imagined doing before?
That's a good question. So I am in the process of eliminating consumer debt and making better choices about, things that I want to do so I can divert more money to my investments. I don't feel like it's a either or I'm depriving myself. I'm just consciously redirecting and having awareness of that before. I try to keep low debt already, and I have a goal at the end of this year to actually be at zero consumer debt. And so then more of my babies.
Yes, you create more money, baby.
Yeah, and I don't feel deprived. I'm just making a different choice.
Which reminds me, you said your goal shifted. So you came into the program with one goal, but you left the program with a completely different goal. Tell me about that.
Yes, I remember I just was talking about being able to work from anywhere in the world, just having more flexibility, not my same relationship being tied to a particular place. I felt like I just wanted more freedom. And when we did the work around what's your number, when I started doing my numbers, my goal changed because I wrote down out 2 million. I'd never thought about having a goal of doing 2 million because I know that I don't want to work the next 20 plus years and wait for retirement to do all the things that I'm thinking about. Because one, life is not promised, but two, that's not what I want anymore. That's not the kind of rhythm in life, because I have so many ideas and so many things I want to experience and see, and so many other ways I want to use my gifts in the world. And I'm just like, waiting around 20 plus years don't sound like it's not the way anymore.
Your initial goal was freedom, but more so just location freedom, but you would still be working as long as you were free to work from anywhere in the world.
Right.
Now you're like, girl, I don't even want to work.
But also the thing is, like, I still will probably, I'm sure I will always be offering gifts to the world.
That's not work.
It's not work. Agreed. And agree that shifting identity and mindset, because I have only worked. I'm a business owner too, but that's work. So it's not freedom, but it is an element of freedom because you get to create it. But yeah, so life and my vision and my goals have just expanded. But matching that spreadsheet and the number with my vision, I was like, well, heck yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? And let's do this.
You had an initial number and then we increased it? Yeah.
My first number was 500,000.
I'm sure I told you, girl, take that lid off your pot.
You did. And my next was 1 million. And then when I did the number, I was like, well, these are just numbers, but it's what's behind the number, right? And what I also am aware of is, because I think you said this too, the numbers can change. Like, what does financial freedom mean for you person? I could be free at a particular number and I'll know it when I get there. But right now I have a plan because I'm heading somewhere specific. And, financial freedom might come before the 2 million, but I'm going for 2 million and may exceed it.
Exactly. You will exceed it. I've heard you say share your gifts with the world a couple of times. And being able to do that is a type of freedom. It's a
Yeah.
privilege.
Yeah.
It makes me think about like Maslow's hierarchy of needs. As
Yeah.
long as we're surviving, we are internal and self,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But once you reach that pinnacle where you're able to think outside of yourself and what you can do for others,
Yeah.
in my opinion, that's ultimate wealth.
Ultimate.
That
Absolutely.
is freedom.
Wow. And another way to create legacy. How
Yes.
powerful is that?
How powerful is that? Knowing what you know now, what do you wish someone had told you sooner?
Oh, that's easy. I wish someone had said that investing is for us. It is not out of reach. Here, let me show you how.
And what would you say to the woman who's watching and thinking about investing, but she's putting it off? What would you say to her?
Don't wait. Don't second guess yourself. And don't talk yourself out of freedom.
And that's what leads so many people to say, I wish I would have started sooner.
Yeah.
Because now that you know, you're like, shoot, I've been doing this.
For the past 25 years, Malika, I would have been out with you.
Yes, but it's never too late. You started, and I'm so glad you did.
Thank
Any
you.
final words you would like to share with the audience that may be watching?
Yes, it's been a blessing in the way that I look at life. This was supposed to happen, and I'm so thankful to have met you. I'm thankful for your story, and I'm thankful for the decisions that you've made for yourself and also to help other Black women. That's a powerful, powerful origin point. And I just thank you for pouring your knowledge into us so that we can get started in the best way possible from a solid foundation. Thank you so much.
It's been a pleasure.